Welcome to Shinagawa Station, one of Tokyo's major transportation hubs and a key departure point for the Shinkansen bullet train. This video will show you step-by-step how to get from Tokyo to the center of Osaka, including how to get directly to Hotel Nikko Osaka. This route can also be followed to reach the main part of the city, making it useful for travelers heading to other destinations. If you're traveling to Osaka, the fastest and most comfortable way is by taking the Tokaido-Sanyo Shinkansen to Osaka Station, followed by a transfer to the Midosuji subway line. First, you'll need to purchase your Shinkansen ticket. This can be done at the ticket counters, vending machines, or online in advance. If you're traveling during peak hours, weekends, or holidays, we highly recommend reserving your seat to guarantee a comfortable ride. The best way to enjoy the journey is by reserving a window seat on the right-hand side of the train when traveling from Tokyo to Osaka, as this side offers a breathtaking view of Mount Fuji on clear days. If you want extra comfort, consider reserving a seat in the green car, as shown in this video, which is the first-class section of the Shinkansen. Once you have your ticket, proceed to the Shinkansen platforms. Shinagawa Station is well organized, with clear signs directing you to the Shinkansen gates. Be sure to check your departure track and car number. Boarding is simple. Just follow the markings on the platform, which indicate where each train car will stop. If you have large luggage, look for designated storage areas at the back of certain cars. The video highlights these storage spaces where you can stow your suitcase safely before taking your seat. The Tokaido-Sanyo Shinkansen is known for its speed, reliability, and comfort. These trains reach speeds of up to 285 kilometers per hour, 177 miles per hour, making the journey to Osaka fast and smooth. The trip takes approximately 2 hours and 30 minutes, during which you can relax, enjoy the scenery, or catch up on work. The train interior is designed for comfort, with spacious seating, tray tables, and power outlets in both standard and green car classes. If you reserve a window seat on the right-hand side of the train, be prepared for one of Japan's most famous views, Mount Fuji. About 40 minutes into the journey, the iconic mountain comes into view. On a clear day, its snow-capped peak creates a breathtaking scene, making it a highlight of the trip. Be sure to have your camera ready, as the sight is somewhat brief but unforgettable. Standard class seating is comfortable, featuring reclining seats, foldable tray tables, and power outlets. However, if you prefer extra space and a quieter atmosphere, the green car is an excellent upgrade. In this premium section, seats are arranged in a 2-2 configuration instead of the standard 3-2 layout, offering more room to stretch out. The green car also provides additional amenities such as footrests, deeper seat reclines, and onboard service with warm towels and drink options. Whether in standard or green car, the Shinkansen experience is designed to be smooth and enjoyable. During the journey, you can purchase snacks and drinks from the onboard trolley service, or you can bring your own food. As the train nears its destination, the cityscape of Osaka begins to come into view. Osaka Station is your arrival point, and from here, you'll transfer to the Osaka Metro Midosuji Line to reach popular destinations in Osaka, as well as the Hotel Nikko Osaka. The Midosuji Line is Osaka's main subway line, making it easy to navigate. Follow the signs for the subway and purchase a ticket for Shinagawa Station, the closest stop, which is connected to Hotel Nikko Osaka. Once you reach Shinagawa Station, exit and walk a short distance to Hotel Nikko Osaka, as shown in our video. The entire journey from Tokyo to the hotel should take around 3 hours, including transfer time. This high-speed train route is not only the fastest way to travel between Tokyo and Osaka, but it also offers a comfortable and scenic ride. We hope this video helps you navigate your journey smoothly, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Safe travels.